Good morning, and welcome back to Jody Lewis Creations. In today's video, we are going to be working on day 29 for our Creep on June series. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I started talking and filming before I even had today's base out. I did get my piece of cardboard cut yesterday and I got it painted. Mark had ultra matte black in the basement. So, two things. Number one, please excuse my disgusting fingernails. The spray can leaked all over my finger yesterday. It was like running down and like I gotta figure out how to get it out from under my nails. This whole hand was covered with it. I told Mark I have to get my ring cleaned when we go to Erie because I'm pretty sure I got spray paint on my wedding ring. Like, good job, Jody. Okay, so that is our cover. And what I did was I allowed for a 3.5-inch spine. I was going to peel all of this off, but then I was like, I really just kind of like this edge that looks kind of like it's starting to disintegrate and fall apart. And because this had been broken, I was like, that's kind of cool. I think I kind of like it. And so that is going to be our journal cover. I don't know that it's folded in exactly the right way, but excuse my voice. I think I've got some allergy things going on, which is really great because I have to go mow at the barn in a little bit. I'm wrecking my pocket there, but see where we're at. So I think it's going to be fun. And this cardboard is thinner. I didn't find a cereal box. This was like just like this kind of cardboard. And I was like, it's laying here. I'll use that, which I like because it's kind of soft and it feels really good. So I don't know exactly what I want to do on the cover of it yet, but I love this. And, I actually really love this. So I'm like, do I just put a book plate on here that says Nevermore Ledger and, you know, call that good? I don't know, but we're going to have to press this at some point, but I don't really know how much it's going to give when I press it to make it smaller, if I'm going to press these signatures, I have to do it before I sew them in. So there's that. But alas, that is for later. Right now, we are working on day 29's make. I haven't even looked at it. I don't even know what we're doing today. Oh, I love, love, love this orange print. I'm just going to say, Tracy, that these just in background pages would be super awesome. I'm just throwing it out there because they're beautiful colors. All of them are beautiful colors. But yes, just, so pretty. And actually, this lends itself very much so to even a fall or autumn kit. Okay, so what are we doing? I don't even know. I have this wonderful little church image, and I really like that with this color. All that we see or seem is but a dream within a dream. So we are going to figure out what we're going to do. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Oh. Pause. So, what do I do with it? You guys want a sneaky peek? Guess what came yesterday? So this is the Night Before Christmas book. Now, I was going to use this as my base for the Christmas in July journal. This is amazing. I'm not going to show you the inside. I am going to give the caveat that it's missing some of the pages. It's a 1944 book. It's in pretty rough shape. I have zero qualms whatsoever about taking this apart and using it. But it's missing the end part of the story. So I have to find the little golden book in the attic and see how much of this story is missing and how I can integrate the two books so that the complete story is there. So there's that. And I told you guys yesterday I was fighting with my Cricut. But anyway, these are just a couple of the little cute little mouse images that I will use for the actual collaboration day for Christmas in July. And I still don't know yet what I'm going to use for the rest of the base pages. Tracy's got some beautiful Christmas digitals, and I will probably use those for the very rustic, scrappy feeling that I want for it. do I use the pocket or do I just use the tag? I think I'm going to just make the tag for right now because we're running into the issue of just running out of room in this journal. So let's just get this tag cut out, and this may be a straightforward make. I'm not sure yet. Nothing's screaming at me, but I literally just finished my coffee, so the brain is not engaged yet. Oh my gosh, you guys are so cute and supportive. Like, I have chuckled so much about, and not in like, how do I say this? You know, being a woman is not an easy thing, and the changes that we go through throughout our life are certainly not easy to deal with. And I am seriously wondering if that is what's going on because of just the roller coaster I've been on emotionally and all that. So for those of you who have experienced it and are like, oh, been there, done that, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So we'll see how this plays out. I'm really not sure yet what's going on, but I was a little bit better yesterday afternoon. And by little, I mean, I'm not saying that it's you know, it's all good yet, for sure. Okay, so we have our little phrase for today. I love these backgrounds. Oh, so much. I really like the circular part of it, which is really funny because you guys know I don't do circles really, but I don't cut them very well. And can you guys believe I actually don't own a set of circle dies? I was going to get some, but I just haven't yet. How about cut a straight line, Jody? Am I mumbling? Sorry. I was up half the night coughing last night, and now I'm like all raspy this morning. I know it's allergies. But anyway, okay. Oh yeah, I really like that, and I really feel like this could be a simple make. I feel like we need something else in here, and I might cut that down some. Let's see what else we have. You know what we haven't been using much of lately is any like of the black greenery bits that we had cut, and I think that might work well with this. Maybe. Okay, I'm going to kind of work on a little bit of composition here. Hopefully my coffee will kick in. I had my cup, but oh, I actually do. I like that one. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay, we're not going to tell anybody how long I have been sitting here looking at this piece. It's just a secret, okay? All right, so I've changed my mind about a gajillion times. I have this piece, this word that I have backed on this just craft paper, packing paper piece that's left over from some other day. And I'm just going to get that cut out of here. And then the church image, I've reinforced the top. We are going to use it as a pocket. And I have, I'll do that in a minute, used my baked texture set after baked texture, and I've taken my tiny attacher with a rusty staple. You can't even see it, it's in his body, but that's going to hold that down. So we're just going to glue this on the 3 sides to make it a top tuck. I was going to stitch around this piece, but I did fix my sewing machine, but I'm not going to do it right now. Maybe I'll stamp some faux stitching on it and go from there. But okay, so that's going to go there. Our little butterfly is going to go here with that little piece of trim poking out of his bum. Boy, my allergies are something this morning, and I have to go mow. That is going to be an assault to my sinuses for sure. We stopped at the barn yesterday, and Mark was laughing. He was like, "You're going to be like, the grass is so tall." It's mostly weeds, but anyway. So I have to get that taken care of today because it's not supposed to be as hot today as it was yesterday. So fingers crossed that's true. So I'm sure a mess. I'll have to take all my allergy medicine today and tonight to make sure I survive. To survive that. Okay, this is going to go in here, but I want to put a little something on the top of that as like a pull as a pull on the top of that. I didn't get enough glue squished under his little bum. He's not wanting to stay down. Okay, so I'm gonna hold him for a second. We need something for the top of this. Well, I think this came out kind of cute. I don't know why I feel like it was so complicated, but it's actually a very simple make. But we have our church in our little baked texture embossed butterfly, which, man, I love that stuff. I sure do. I love that it's so imperfect when you, like, I don't know, I just really like it. And then the little tag, and this was just a little scrap that I stapled on the top. So that's gonna go in there. And then we'll find a home for this in one of our pockets. Okay, so that is today's official make. Now, I need to determine if I'm going to proceed with filming or go ahead and get this uploaded for you, because I know today is going to be super busy. And then tomorrow, this is, what day is this? 29? Oh my gosh, I have so much to do to get done on this journal in order to be ready for you guys for the 30th video. I'm assuming the 30th video is going to be a bit longer because hopefully I can get it all stitched in and be ready just to put some finishing touches on it. I do have some pieces that I still want to make that are some of the humorous, quirky pieces that are just like the silly things that popped in my head. I've been telling you guys, and I was able to get some labels for those silly pieces. So thank you for the labels, and go from there. So like we have this pocket we can definitely use in a piece somewhere if we need another pocket. And then we have some more, I mean, this whole thing is ephemera bits that need to be made up and or be leftovers. I'm not putting the pressure on myself that I have to use all of these images. My gosh, I will never get done if that's the case. But I do have some more pieces that I definitely want to make. This will go in the bin. This will be our official make for today. Let me just kind of see where we are. I feel like I want to go ahead and put the signatures in the book press while I'm doing things today to try to flatten the pages themselves before I add anything else to it. I actually think, oh my gosh, I'm gonna drop it. I need to take a couple pieces out before I smash it, because like we have the one page with the watch face on it. I obviously don't want to smash that piece. Anything that feels like it could get damaged with being smashed, I definitely want to take out of here. Like I can't smash this page at all because those are glass beads. So that could be a little bit of a pickle for smashing. I guess I could just take that page out and put a bookmark in there, because I don't want to break the beads, obviously. So I know that she goes by the rose. Okay, so that one will be fine to smash. See, those are beads too, but I think there'll be enough cushioning. Those will be okay. All right, so I'm going to put these in the book press, and maybe I won't crank it down as much as I normally would, but to help flatten some of these pieces that have so much body to them. Yeah, I have a long way to go, you guys. I don't know. Maybe I can't smash this. Maybe I just put a heavy book on it instead of actually smashing it, because a heavy book is going to be more forgiving than just putting it in the book press. I think that's probably my best bet with some of these pieces so we don't cause damage. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to put this under some heavy books for today while I go and do some real life things, and then later I will sew in my signatures, I hope, and then do some finishing touches to this, but I want to smoosh it before I sew it in for sure. So let's do our words. Sorry, I was brainstorming through that as I was like flipping through, because I just wasn't sure kind of where I am in process here. And I do want to get it done. And I have a feeling as I clean out that drawer, which I'd kind of like to get done as well, I know I'm going to find pieces that I was like, oh, I wanted to use that and still add bits to it. So we still have a long way to go, my dears. Haunted and eerie, those are our 2 words for today. And so I will see you guys in the next video, which will be video 30. And we may just have to have a bonus creep video if I can't get it done. We'll see what the weekend looks like for sure. I just know today's going to be busy, so that's where my hesitation's coming into play. Okay. All right, you guys. Well, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.